Hi everyone, I'm Preeti. I'm having a 4-year-old kid. This video is actually about the unboxing of Sparklebox. As you people, everyone may know about Flinto classes, right? This Sparklebox is also the same as like the activity box for kids, especially for LKG and UKG people. The age group 2 to 6. If you are having kids between 2 to 6 age group, you can engage your kid like this classes. Okay, let me show you what are all the things which is inside the Sparklebox. Before that, I just want to share you why I engaged my girl in this program. Okay, let me tell you. See, people like us, like having a kids between 4 5 years doing LKG UKG, we could not send our children to school. Even now the situation, school started from first standard to 12th standard, but still for LKG UKG, any physical schools are not ready to open. And because of this, without making our kids learn anything new, they will be really struggling hard to learn new things after once the physical school started, right? So this is the main purpose I wanted to engage my girl in this school. Even she is going separate school is going for her. She is doing LKG in that school, but I'm not satisfied because those people are not sending any live classes and all, only pre-recorded videos they are sending. But in this Sparklebox class, your kids will be having a live session. Also it will be completely based on and fun learning. So you people, your kids will not face any difficulties. Up to my vision, I am telling you. Okay, this is completely up to my feedback. So let me show you what are all the things they will be sending for your kids once you done your subscription. Okay, this is the box they will be sending to you. This is the box, Sparklebox School. This is the activity box you will be getting once you did your subscription. Okay, I did my subscription for 3 months. So for 3 months they sent a box like this. And my girl is doing LKG, so I enrolled her in K1 grade. So you can see that K1, right? K1 grade. This is volume 1. Volume 1, you can see that, right? For first 3 months this box will come. Up to 3 months, this will contain nearly 12 subsets. Okay, let me show you everything so that you can understand what is inside this. They will be giving a pouch like this. Inside this pouch you will be having all items. You need not to go outside to purchase anything new. They will be giving some oil pastels for coloring, then sketch pens, then scissors, and some pull-up stickers to make your girl more engaged in doing any activities. If she did a very good performance, then you can pick pull a sticker from this, and you can make it stick on the page, so that they will be more encouraged. No, you can see stickers like nice work, very good, magical, super, learn, like that you can see. I think you people can see this. Like a sticker will be there. Then some cottons for doing some activities. Then poster color kit. Uh, a separate glue. Then a clay, as every kid in this stage will will be very eager to do this clay activities and all, no? So they provided clay, then some paper plates and ice cream sticks, pencil, eraser, sharpener, sponge, separate materials, color papers, everything they will be providing you. There is no need for us to go outside and purchase anything. Also they had given a material like this. See, so for doing activities, their dress won't get damaged. For this purpose they had given this material, so we have to make wear of our kids while doing any activities. Okay, so this is a common kit you have to use. uh, After that, you will be having 12 subsets inside this box. Why 12 subsets means, for 3 months there will be 12 weeks, no? So every subset will come for 1 week. If you unpouch a single subset, then it will, the for whole week they will be learning the things which is inside the subset. Okay, let me show you first. See, like this the subsets will be. This is for week 12, and this is for week 11. Then for week 10, for week 10, see there will be some materials like this. It can be anything. For week 10 they had given some flashcards like this. We have to color this, and based on the comments you can do the activity. Actually those people, tutors, will be coming in online in live session, so they will guide children, and we have also be with them to guide them. Okay, so every subset will come for a week. If you open a single subset, then you have to keep it safe for 1 week, because within this materials, by using this materials, your children will be learning for the whole week. See, most of the materials are based on doing flashcards only. Then there will be some materials will be which will be, see here also, flashcards. Sight reading words will also be there at the end of the 3 months. At the end of 3 months, or you can subscribe to any period. See, I did for 3 months. If you wish, because this is my first experience, so I just want to learn how it will be. After 3 months, let me plan whether I have to continue or not, like that. So based on this, I did 3 month subscription. At the end of the session, your children will be learning all the alphabets, as every kid in this stage may know the alphabets. But the main thing is they will make our children identify which alphabet is what. So identification will be done. Then they will be definitely learning sight words for LKG. Then actually they are mainly concentrating on writing, reading and listening. So these are the three important things they are giving more concentration. As LKG kids, our kids will be, actually my girl is very good in oral, but when coming to writing, she won't sit with me for more than 10 minutes. It will be like a war to make her write a single page. So I just feel it very difficult. That's the main reason I make her engaged in this school. So in this school, these people will be giving training to how to pronounce a word. Then phonics they will be dealing with, also writing. They will be giving more importance to writing. For LKG we need that, right? See, this is for week 7. Week 7. At some weeks there will be storytelling and all. Like this material you will be having. See, this is something which related to draw dots to cover the dress. You have to draw dots. So every activity will be different. It won't be repeated. It won't get repeated. See, for week 6. For week 6 this is the material. Then like that you will be getting, let me show something interesting. See, this activity is completely having what to say, color rays. I'm not sure about that. Some play materials are there. Let me show you. Okay, actually for nearly 6-7 kids are all about flashcards, no, but this is little different. You are having a blocks like this. I may not sure that what is what. Then showing colors. This I think they may ask what color is what, so that you have to your children have to spin the arrow. I think the activity will be like that. See, they will be also sending a video to parents, so that you can also go through what will be happening in prior to that. Before starting the class, you can also go through that. It is not must. If you want to do that, then you can go. See, there is one more activity, I think, which will be more interesting. I think I can see a building blocks like this. So this all will be fun activities. Because if you are continuously giving flashcards for LKG students, they won't be interested, no. So like this. Actually, there are more number of strips here. See, like this they will be giving. Then what? I think I had showed you all weeks from starting from K1 to K7. See, these are like short material. They are very thick, so that I think by seeing this, they will be teaching phonics for kids. Phonics. Then this is also pull-up sticker, like very good. If you based on their performance, we have to pull a sticker like this. Oh, sorry. We have to pull a sticker from this and we have to stick it on their page so that they will be more encouraged, like that. See, this is a volume 1 letter sounds literacy, some book. I think it may be a written book. For written, they had provided a book like this. Then for numbers, there is a separate book. See, for numbers, they provided this book. And then picture talk book, as every children will do like this, picture book. Then finally, there is an art and craft book, art and craft book. The quality of the pages and the materials are too good. It is not as thin or like that. It is very thick. So like chart paper, the material that I am feeling is like a chart paper, so thick material. The material, all the materials of the books, the paper thickness what they provided is very thick, very good, and completely satisfied with the material. And they also provided short like material, short like thing. I mean, no, let me open and show it. What is this? See. Oh, this is the checkbox. I think you have to stick it in a wall and you have to make it mark at the end of the week. Literacy, numeracy, then visual arts, dance, development tracker. This is messy mat. This is the messy mat what they provided. Then a tracker record for every 4 weeks there is a development tracker. Okay, so this is all about this sparkle box. Also they had given on a notice for a parent like this. So I think I shared all the materials which they provided for me. So even after you wanted to know anything information which I forgot to share, please comment in the comment box. Let me tell you everything you want. Classes will be live. Then what are all the points which I forgot to share? They will be coming for 1 hour per day. The time slot is completely up to you. As per your wish, they will be conducting the classes and it will be a Zoom meeting, live meeting. A tutor will be there, and 1:4 or 1:5 is the ratio they are following. So for every single teacher, only 4 or 5 students will be there. So they can take more care of our children, because once the ratio is increasing, they could not concentrate on every children performance, so this ratio which I like the most. After that, I think I had shared everything. So if you like this video, then please do like. And if you're having any friends or family members, those who are having children between the age group of 2 to 6, please do share this video, because it will be very much important, very much useful for the kids, even also for the parents. Most of the people may know about Flinto classes, right? I don't know whether they are conducting any live classes and all, but these people are conducting live classes. This is the main difference which I had seen between these two people. After that, that's it. So please do share for parents or friends who are having children like this stage. It will be very helpful. And thank you. If you are having any more informations, even if may I forgot something which I want to share, if I forgot anything, or if you want to ask any more questions about this subscriptions, this payment details, how the performance of the teachers will be, if you want to know, then please do comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you everyone.